Hello everybody, Megan here from Fabulous 103 FM. Living here in Pattaya, we are lucky to have many great attractions in and around the city, and today we are here to check out an art museum. Now this isn't just a regular art museum, but it's an art museum with a twist. It's the only one of its kind here in Thailand. It's a 3D art museum with optical illusions inside, 10 different exhibitions, and it's a great place to bring the whole family for some great photo opportunities. We are here at Art in Paradise. So here we are inside the museum, and they have some cool new features here. Upon arrival, you download the Art in Paradise application on your phone, and not only can you take some cool pictures, but you can take some really cool videos. It would be great for the kids. So once you open the app, this is the app, and this is how your video will look. So you can stand next to the interactive pictures and take videos. So this is the video, and that would be a normal picture.